for banana, a yummy treat. C is for carrots, crunchy and blight. D is for date, a chewy delight. E is for eggplant, purple and fun. F is for fig, dried in the sun. G is for grapes, juicy and round. H is for honeydew, green and sound. I is for iceberg, crisp and cool. J is for jackfruit, big like a jewel. K is for kale, leafy and strong. A is for lemon, sour all along. M is for mango, oh so sweet.